Hey everyone, I've got myself, Hannah, if you don't know me, hi, and I've got little Miss Mimi who's the brown dog and little Miss Lily who's the white dog, and today we have an exciting video. We've got the baby's pram in the mail, so I'm going to just like unbox it and set it up and show you guys it. I wasn't actually planning on getting my pram this early in my pregnancy. I am 15 weeks and 4 days, and I was actually going to leave it to be one of the last things that I got, but Silver Cross had a sale on for their birthday. I believe it was 30% off. So this particular pram, it was actually I think $13.99 full price, and I got it for $1,000 including free delivery. So I was pretty certain this was the pram that I wanted. I did actually, excuse me, these children. And to think we're about to have a third. For those who don't know, my dogs are like my first babies, so I love them very much. So before purchasing, I did actually take to Instagram and ask like my mummy followers to let me know like their favorite prams and what they used and what they would recommend. And I think without fail, the most common response was definitely Bugaboo. My sister had Bugaboo, so she had a single Bugaboo when she first had Isaac, and then she ended up getting the twin stroller Bugaboo, and she absolutely loves hers. And then my mum had her own pram as well for when the boys were at Nana's house, and she had a Silver Cross. And when I used to look after Isaac and Riley and use the pram, I, without fail, did reach for the Silver Cross a lot more often than the Bugaboo. I personally just like how it pushed better, I like the style of it better, and I like how it collapsed. It was easier to dismantle and like put in the car to what the Bugaboo was. But like I said, my sister, she has no complaints about her Bugaboos. I just personally, when I compare the two, I just liked like Silver Cross in general more, and I actually like how they look. Out of like all the prams available on the market, Silver Cross would have to have my favorite like aesthetic for a pram. So when they had their sale on, I was like, you know what? I'm getting a Silver Cross. It's an amazing brand. They're highly reputable. They've been around for a bloody long time. I'm not actually even sure like how long, but Mum said they were around back when we were little babies as well. And yeah, this was actually my baby present from my parents as well. So thank you so much, Mum and Dad. Without further ado, I'll get stuck into unboxing it. I will link this exact pram in the description box for you. So if you want to check it out and shop it, you certainly can. But look, when I saw they had that sale, I was like, now's the time. Save some dollars, get the pram, have it all organized, and I can't wait to set it up. So let's get stuck into it. So the pram that I got, the body is all just black, but I've got a grey hood and a grey like winter little leg cover thing, whatever they're called. So they want us to remove all the plastic off everything, all the plastic and foam. So I'm going to quickly do that. I really like these wheels. They're like, I don't know what they're made out of. I'll have to double check, but they feel like a combination of plastic and rubber. Like they're not that hard plastic. They feel a little bit more tire-like, which I really like. Now, I didn't actually go into store and look at prams at all. Lots of people are like, go push some, go test them out in store. But for me to do that, I have to go to Sydney, and I'm still playing it like really safe because of COVID. So I wasn't really comfortable doing that. But I don't think I'm going to have any regrets. Oh, that's so easy. Continue to lift the handle upwards until the frame clicks and locks into position. Oh, that's easy. Next, always keep the parking brake on when you're still standing. So it has, oh, that's so good. So it has a, well, I need to learn how to drive this rig, but it's got a little foot brake that you just push down and it locks those back wheels, and it has a little green button that you press to unclear. Oh, it feels so smooth to push. Oh, I can't wait to have the baby in it. It's gonna be so cute. We advise locking front wheels if pushing the pushchair straight ahead for a long period. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's amazing. Cool. Operating the height adjustable handle. So all you do is push that. That's so good. That's just nice and simple, same as what Mum's was. Assembling the Carry Cot. Oh, okay. Got it. Oh, that was hard. So you've got to pull these metal things. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, shit, that was a little bit difficult. So, I believe the hood and apron is in this box. So it's just like a really nice grey colour. And that's the colour of the hood as well. So this pram comes with like the little carry cot. It also comes with the seat. So to use the little apron on the carry cot, I've got to take that bottom bit off, which will go around the base of the seat when I use that. And then this just velcros on to the sides. There's little velcro tabs, I can feel them. So this is the hood. Oh, that's good. So it's just got like little clipped feet. And it just clips in. Oh my god, that looks so cute. Now attach your carry cot to the chassis. Oh gosh, that's just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I actually want to cry. That's so cute. Oh, I'm so happy with it. It's literally perfect. Like, it's such a beautiful pram. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm getting all emotional. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so my little pram does come with a toddler seat, like I was saying, so I'm just going to really quickly lock all the wheels in place, and I'm going to change this over and just pop the toddler seat attachment on here so you guys can see that as well. And I'll just show you like how easy it is to take the bassinet off too. And it just like slips up. It's so easy. So this is the little toddler seat that the apron and the hood both attach to, and it should just clip in essentially the same way as the bassinet does. Oh my god, it's so cute. So if you've got a really sunny day, you've got this extra little bit of material as well, which can keep the sun out of baby's face. It's got a massive basket. Like, this basket in this pram is huge. So it has a little handle on the back of the actual seat, and you can adjust the seat to be like up or laying down. And it just clips into place. It just glides around so well. How cute. And then obviously you can have the pram, like the toddler attachment, facing the other way if you want. You just have to unclip it and clip it in the other direction. And on the back of this, it actually has like the little peekaboo flap. And then it also has this section here. So in summer, if you're wanting to get some air circulation through the pram, you can lift that up and it's like a little mesh panel, which is fab. And I just can't get over that basket. That's such a good size basket. We can collapse it when it's facing this way. Like so. If you lock the wheels in place as well before you collapse it, those wheels won't move about either. So I'll lock those in place. I think it did actually say that you're supposed to. Wow. Alright guys, so there you have it. I am incredibly happy with my pram. And I got it for a bargain. I got it like on such a good sale price. So I'll leave it linked in the description box. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I am like so tired now. I'm really puffed. My back hurts a little bit from bending over so much. I feel like I maybe overdid it. So for the rest of the day, I'm gonna be taking it easy, because although I'm only 15 weeks and I don't really even have a bump, like I have the tiniest bump ever. That's the baby bump. It's very little, but you've got to be careful not to overdo it. So would have been easier if Brett was home, but I was too excited and I wanted to get stuck into it now. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching guys. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed, and I'll be chatting to you in the comments and in my next video. Bye.